SoCal contractors in Orange County, in Orange, California, Orange County. Want to give them a call for all your needs: patio covers, sunrooms, roofing, room additions, anything that's related to contractors, builders, waterproofing, anything. Give him a call. Call Adrian. Tell him that Eric Garcia refer you. Nice company, very professional, and very competitive prices. Guys that don't know how to solder, right here there's a pipe that's there's no way you can put a flash into it through. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut the flashing in half, like here, all the way up here, cut it here, and split it in half, and then put it back together. Cut it in two pieces like this, and then close the top of the cutter, and then this piece, it goes right here, like this, okay? Make sure you put some pressure on it, and then nail. Once you have it in place, you're gonna put cack in here, all the way up here, where the other one's gonna overlap, and then you're gonna put it, the other one in place like this, okay? You're gonna have something like this, okay? You see, you put two flashings together like this, and then you put cack in the center. See, and now you have a 1 inch overlap. And there's a little cacking underneath. You can't see it, but there's a little cacking underneath. Okay, and then when you have it in place, nail it, and that's how you do it. I'll show you how to do a California valley with no metal. Okay, so it's a cross valley with just shingles. Was requested by the contractor and the subcontractor. Before you start doing your close cap valley, you gotta identify which is low pitch is lower. So in this case, we have that pitch that's lower than this. See, this one is lower, so this one's gonna go underneath the higher pitch, and this pitch is gonna go underneath this one. See? So always do the lower one, tuck it underneath the higher pitch. So in this case, I'm gonna start with this, like this, and then I'm gonna overlap this one. This one, gonna tuck it and overlap this one. Okay. So I'm gonna pass the shingles. Always the main thing is to let the shingles rest on the other side of the valley. See, always guide yourself for the corner, for the top corner. Don't worry about the bottom corner, okay? This one always gonna pet, but this one's the one that's gonna catch the water, so it's not gonna let it go inside the wood. So right here, I install a layer of self-adhere underneath. Okay, so this is called a close cut belly. So now I'm gonna do this side because I'm gonna finish my shingles right here. So I'm gonna overlap it on this side, and then this one just gonna finish it right there. Done. You snap a chalk line across the center of the valley, and then I align this piece of shingle right here. I align it to the red line, try to cover the red line. It comes to here, and then nail away from there. You gotta nail there, okay? All the way. Like this. Right here, I'm gonna put another one here. Like this. Line it. And then nail. It should look something like this. Okay, this one's go underneath, and then the other one's just gonna overlap on top of that. And then that one's gonna go underneath the high one, and then the other one's gonna overlap. It's called California close cut belly. Now it's my last belly, the one on the right. So I started with this, then did that one. Now I'm gonna do this. You can snap a chalk line in the center and throw a bleeder. Okay, snap, dale. Beautiful. I'm done for today. Tomorrow I just got to finish 2.5 squares and install the ridge cap. This is how I finish my close cut belly. A lot of people they like it because they don't see the metal in the center of the valley, but to me I think valley metal is better, but that's everybody's choice. I still gotta do the fireplace. Sorry, with my finger. Anyway, hopefully tomorrow I can show you how do I do my fireplace again. I'll paint the flashing red so it'll match. What else? That's it, I'm done for today. I did this side, I did this side, I did that little thing. My guy, he did this side, and then he did the other side. He did about maybe like, it's 27 squares, there's 2.5 squares left over, so we installed about 25. But we started late because the inspector didn't show up on time, so started around 10. Anyway, greetings to everybody. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye. I'm done. This roof was done for SoCal Contractors of Orange, California. I gave him a call if you need some patio covers, room additions. If you want some roofing, tell him to send you Eric Garcia. Okay? No, just kidding. You can call anyone you want, but anyway, give these guys a call if you need a new roof or re-roof or patio covers, room additions, concrete, bricks, driveways, whatever. I want to show you my close cut belly. That's how I did it. And here's the other one. Remember, I did that one first, then I did this one, then I finished with that one. You see, this one overlaps over that one overlaps over this one. Okay, then I finish it with ridge band and ridge cap on top of it. Color showing Onyx Black from Owens Corning through definition. Again, greetings to Adrian from SoCal Contractors. Give Adrian a call, guys. He's a good guy. Tell him that Eric Garcia referred you. He's gonna give you discount. He's gonna do great work. You don't have to call him for roofing. You can call him for patio covers, room additions, pavers, concrete. I don't know what else. I think they do air conditioning, solar panels, bunch of stuff. Okay, and they have a financing department, so you can finance your project, so you don't have to have any money up front. Okay, just talk to Adrian. Okay, I'll put his link on this video, and tell him that Eric Garcia referred you. Okay, guys, thank you very much for watching, and hopefully you like these tips. Thanks.